Okay, this is our last stop for today. We've had quite a road trip today. This came up on us unexpectedly. We're on our way home, and we were in, I think, Barnesdall, Oklahoma, and this gentleman told us that we go to, oh gosh, we were on our way home, and he told us to go through this little community called Nelagoney, and I hope I'm pronouncing that right. It's kind of an odd little name. He told us how to get here once you get in this little community, and by golly, we found it. We found this huge, well, it's not huge, truss style bridge. This makes the third one I've done today on our road trip today. And as you can see, we're just out here pretty much in the middle of nowhere. I'm not even sure. I'm just going to venture a guess and say this is the Bird Creek, but I'm just not real sure. There's a truck coming, so I've got to go over here and wait just a minute. Okay. Had to wait for the truck to get by. Maybe we can do this. We just came from that Bird Creek Bridge just outside of Avant, Oklahoma, and that was a challenge. We like to never found it. It's not exactly, it's just not real easy to find, but just for the sake of argument, I'm going to call this the Nelagoney, I can't pronounce this name, truss style bridge, and I'm going to call this over Bird Creek, because like I said, this totally come up on me unexpectedly. We got talking with this gentleman in Barnesdall. I told him what I did with these old bridges and such, and he said, well, you need to go to Nelagoney, or I'm sorry, I can't remember the name of this little community. So here we are. And this appears to be I'm going to say this is a two-span bridge. When I get home, I will get all this information together and I will include it in on the video. We've had a really productive day today. Like I said earlier, this is my third bridge today. Well, here's somebody off in the background. And I don't see any plaques or anything up here. I think there's another vehicle coming, so just hold on for a minute. Okay, we're going to try this again. This is a two-span truss style bridge. And see, we've been down through this way before. I remember seeing that sign for this little community before, and I didn't think a thing of it because I just had no idea that this was here. So this is another cool find for today. It got so warm today, I started out with a sweater, and I had to go to a store and get a t-shirt because it got like 70 today. 70 degrees today. Oh, I went and got me a little t-shirt just so I wouldn't be sweating all day long. It's still very nice out right now. Very nice. Yeah, we're going to have to get heading home. It's dark so early. But there you have it. Another truss style 2-span bridge. I had no idea that they had so many of these around. And I did not even get this off of Bridge Hunters. This was mentioned to me. He said, you better go check this out because it may not be around much longer. And that's absolutely correct. May not be around much longer. So I'm documenting this 2-span truss style bridge this afternoon. It's about 3 o'clock and I'm literally dressed like it's April or May this afternoon, the day after Christmas. All right, one more trip across and then we're going to have to head on. Hope you've enjoyed our little excursion today. Hopefully I'll be getting these uploaded either this evening or tomorrow. I do appreciate all my subscribers. Thank you for enjoying, thank you for watching. And those that watch and enjoy the content of my videos, I would ask that you would like, subscribe, and share. And to everybody out there, make sure you press that notification bell. It keeps you in the loop and up to date on all current, past, and present and future videos. And it just shows me that you care. And as always, hope you have a nice weekend. Hope you have a nice Saturday. And I will see you all on the next video. This video and my day of filming and documenting for today is over. I will see you on the next video. So, goodbye for now.